Have you ever wondered how AI-powered drones are revolutionizing infrastructure assessments? Traditionally, infrastructure assessments have been a laborious task, often involving manual labor and heavy machinery. Engineers and technicians would venture into potentially dangerous environments, armed with hard hats and high-visibility jackets to inspect structures, roads, bridges, and more. They'd face the challenge of accessing hard-to-reach areas, risking their lives in the process. Now think about the time consumed in these assessments. Analyzing a structure, documenting issues, and then devising solutions. It's certainly not a quick process. And let's not forget the potential for human error. Even the most experienced inspector can overlook a critical detail or misinterpret data, leading to incomplete or inaccurate assessments. These traditional methods, while necessary, have always carried significant risks and limitations. But what if there was a safer, faster, and more accurate way to assess infrastructure? Enter AI-powered drones. AI-powered drones are transforming the way we assess and maintain our infrastructure. Equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, these drones are capable of reaching areas that would be challenging, if not impossible, for humans to access. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for infrastructure assessments. Imagine a drone zipping through the sky, capturing high-resolution images of structures from bridges to skyscrapers. These drones aren't just snapping photos, though. They're gathering data, lots of it, quickly and efficiently. This data, when processed, provides us with accurate assessments of the state of our infrastructure. Safety is another area where these drones shine. They eliminate the need for humans to put themselves in potentially dangerous situations. Risky inspections previously done by people can now be carried out by these AI-powered drones. Their speed is also a game changer. Drone inspections can be completed much faster than traditional methods, saving valuable time.